Actually, you should know who's behind the phone there. It's Emily. Emily, could you turn the phone around a second? She won't turn the phone. So every week, Emily catches me and she comes in. You've got to give a little chat about one particular thing, say for assembly. And thanks, Emily, otherwise I would forget. This week it's about being independent. Now, independent is where you are less reliant on other people. You don't have to depend on other people to do things for you. For boys, small boys and girls, that might mean tying your laces, get your orange and peeling your orange, looking after your little pets or whatever, looking after your toys. That's what independence is. For older children, it's a bit more. It's where you actually begin to look after yourself. You're not less reliant on other people, so you don't have to wait on other people to make decisions for you all the time. And the decisions that you make then are your decisions. And then it makes life a lot easier, because if you make a mistake, you can always hold your hand up and say, it's my mistake. You don't have to blame somebody else. So being independent, I googled it here quickly. Emotional independence, it reduces stress and promotes happiness. I won't go on about financial. It makes you have better decision making, and yourself, you improve personally, and you broaden your whole life. So look for a little bit of independence. Have your books ready in the morning. Have your lunch. Make your lunch the night before. All those little things take the pressure off your mom or your dad or whoever looks after you at home. That kind of stuff, and you feel a lot better about yourself. It's good for you. Okay? Happy independence.
An acrostic poem about autumn. August is one of the months. Use raincoats. The leaves are falling off the trees. Umbrellas will be needed. Most people like it. Night is longer.
Acrostic poem. America is windy. Use tea to feel warm. The cars freeze. Use the sun to melt. Most people get cold. Not a lot people get hot.
Acrostic poems about autumn. Big piles of leaves come. Use gloves. Tons of vegetables. Use decorations to decorate your house. Mom and Dad take you back to school. No sunny weather.
An acrostic poem about autumn. Autumn is the season when Halloween happens. Use umbrellas. The leaves are falling from the trees. Umbrellas will be needed. Most people like it. Night is way longer.
An acrostic poem about autumn. Autumn is colder. Use raincoats. Teachers come back from holidays. Umbrellas might be needed. Most people like it. New year of school.
Acrostic poem.
Acrostic poem.
Autumn is colder.
Autumn is colder.
Use raincoats.
Use raincoats.
The leaves are changing.
The leaves are changing.
Umbrellas might be needed.
The umbrellas might be needed.
Monsters are scary.
Monsters are scary.
Noisy leaves.
Noisy leaves.
Acrostic poem about autumn. Autumn is colder. Use umbrellas. The leaves are falling off trees. Use raincoats. Make hot tea. Night is
Hello, and welcome to the 6-1 News. My name is Gus, and our headlines today are: Skyscraper falls on celebrity. On Friday, 25th of September, Justin Bieber has died from a falling skyscraper. The skyscraper fell from the earthquake in New York City. The police are trying to find out what caused the earthquake and considered it was caused by the GOS company. The GOS has nuked America's White House from Mexico. The nuke has caused the earthquake on New York. GOS has been sued $10 million for the destruction of the tower. Justin, however, has been taken for hospitality. The owner of GOS has been taken in for questioning. It seems the company owner was shocked and paid the money. The employees have been questioned until further notice.
Put on your head. Put on your head.
Hello and welcome to 6-1 News. I am Usain, and today's headlines are: Siren Head strikes. On Friday 13th, 1957, a huge unidentified creature attacks Hunt Village. It is currently known as Siren Head. It makes extremely loud noises, killing everything in the 30-kilometer range. This is currently what we know about this strange creature. Tune in next week for more information about it.
Hello and welcome to the 6-1 News. My name is Nisa and the headlines for the day. On the 7th of October 2016, Miss Fiver accused of stealing a €100 jewel at Lidl in Dublin. Lidl is now closed for the chief investigator to figure out the case of the missing jewel. The manager reported to OT Radio that he caught him on his CCTV. Today, the suspected criminal will be in court till 5 a.m. This mystery is still unsolved. Gardaí are explaining to witnesses to come forward.
Hello and welcome to the 6-1 News. My name is Sophia and our headlines today are Mr. Minion escapes again. On Sunday, 25th of May, a prisoner escaped again from Minion prison, and he is on the run with the golden trophy. Luckily, we have people looking for him. If you find him, call 51021 and tell us where he is, and we will catch him, and everyone will be safe. Goodbye, and see you next time on the news. This is Sophia. It's